This portion of Sunday Creek appears like any normal stream, with one big exception.
The hole you see in front of me is what's known as an acid mine discharge. This particular hole releases up to 1,000 gallons of toxic acid mine drainage, or AMD, every minute.
When it was first drilled, it wouldn't have been right on the bank, but it still would have been discharging into Sunday Creek.
Coming out of the mine right there?
Yeah.
In Corning, Ohio, onlookers gather for the opening ceremony of the world's first acid mine drainage to paint pigment production facility. The site is a pilot plant and proof of concept for a collaboration 8 years in the making by 2 Ohio University professors. They found a way to turn this dirty water into something they can sell.
So what we're doing here is we're going to actually pump out that acid mine drainage straight from the mine seep. We put it through these tank systems here, and very simply, what happens here is that the iron, which is the heavy metal that's in it, precipitates out. And then we wash that and turn that into a pigment that can be used to make paints.
That's right, paint. Gamlin Artist Paints out of Portland, Oregon has produced oil paints using AMD pigments harvested from this site that range from dirty reds to yellow ochre to the highly anticipated reclaimed earth violet.
They're most excited about the violet.
The site also filters toxic metals from Sunday Creek's water, returning clean water to the stream. A process that can mean life or death for Sunday Creek's aquatic wildlife.
The problems with the metals is aluminum is a neurotoxin, so a very small concentration of aluminum in the water can prove to be toxic to fish, to aquatic bugs, anything that would be trying to live in that stream. And then with iron, it precipitates out into that orange or rusty red color that you see in a lot of our streams in Southeast Ohio. And that iron, as it precipitates out, it covers the whole bottom of the stream. So all of that substrate, all of those rocks and those riffles, where a lot of life happens in streams.
While this site only treats 1% of the AMD being released into Sunday Creek, the plans for the future are, with the help of a little outside funding, to use it as a model to develop a full-scale, full-time operation. For WOUB Athens, I'm Ryan Flynn.